Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll speak about how to fix or how to solve the problem of DropBox. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about DropBox. In this page of app on file we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again. If it's not working with you, then you will update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.